welcome to this video about using AI to scrape web data. And in the past you used to have to be able to write Python code if you really want to be able to scrape data from a website, but with Firecrawl you can just use a natural language such as writing out a sentence, and this allows you to scrape the data already. And this obviously makes it a lot more accessible. For example, if you want to scrape data from a website to find new leads or to find information about competitors, this tool can help you with that without having to actually code anything. The great thing is that it also works in the browser, so you don't have to run your own infrastructure. And this makes everything a lot easier to get started and allows you to create a spreadsheet with all the information that you desire. If you take a look at their pricing, they have a free plan, and obviously when you start to scale up you have to go for a more expensive plan. And if you do the monthly billing, it starts from $99 and goes up to enterprise plans, which are custom made. And it's as simple as just writing a prompt and getting started. Obviously you have to double check if you're writing a big prompt. It might be more expensive, so always be aware that bigger databases or bigger documents can be more expensive. So that was a quick look at Firecrawl, which allows you to scrape data online without having to write any code. Thank you for watching, have a great day and subscribe for more.